a hopefully quick tutorial on this eye look. The video is just the eye look, but if you are interested in any of the other products on my face, I will link them down below. I did use the Tati Beauty palette to get this eye look. You guys, I live for this palette. If you can pre-order, pre-order. And before we get into the video, I just want to remind you to please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends and family. Also, welcome to any new subscribers. You guys, I'm almost to 100 subscribers. I cannot believe it. I'm so excited. You guys have no idea how my heart feels. But you guys already know that I'm a crybaby, so I'm gonna stop talking about it and let's get into the video. Okay guys, so we're like really zoomed in. Don't mind my hair. We're gonna go in today with the Tati Beauty and maybe some other palettes. I'm not sure. I'm not sure where I'm going with this, you guys. You guys already know. I did already prime and set my eyes. You guys know that I used the Kat Von D Prime and Correct. That's not available. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and order a new primer right now. I keep forgetting. You guys, I've been to Ulta. I'm gonna keep forgetting. Let me order. Hold please. Okay, you guys. I'm back. I may or may not have just went shopping. Like, it's been 30 minutes or so. You guys, I'm a mess. Anyway, let's get into this now. So we're gonna go in with Tati's palette. I don't know where I want to go. Like, I keep gravitating towards this one, but I already did a look with that. So I think I'm gonna kind of go dark. And maybe stick with these three and maybe a shimmer or glitter or something. So let's go in with transitions. I'm going to go in with these two for my transition. And I'm just going to take that on a Morphe 504. And we're just going to come in here. I hope that I'm in focus. I'm going to take my Morphe M510 and I'm just going to blend that out. Or help blend it out, I should say. I'm going to go ahead and bring that transition just a little bit more in here. Just like that. And then same thing on the other side. And just so you guys know, I'm only doing the eye look today. I'm gonna do everything else off camera, but I'll show you the finished look as always. So I'm just gonna take this Alamar Cosmetics Reina del Caribe Volume 1, I believe. This is their flat brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and load it up with the brown, the Ritual, the matte, and I'm just gonna put that all over my eyelid and then slowly start blending it up. And then I'm just going to use that same Morphe M504 and start blending that. And I'm just going to lightly dip it in there. And slowly start building that up right here in the crease. You guys, the faces that I make, Jesus. And then I'm going to go back into that little orange, lightly tap it on the brush, and then just add a little bit more right here. And then I'm going to blend it in with my Morphe M510. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. Okay guys, so once you finish, you should look something like this. So now I'm going to go ahead and choose a glitter if I can. I think I want to, I don't know how I want to do this. I kind of want to leave it matte, but also No. I think we're just going to stick with the brown. We're going to go in with this glitter right here. I think I'm going to go ahead and take it on a brush, on the same Alamar brush. And just like I do with the concealer, I'm just going to look up and see where that glitter lands. And basically, I'm going to put the glitter all over that area. Just like that. And I'm just going to take a little bit of the black, just like barely. And we're just going to darken up just a little bit right there. It's just the smallest bit because I really just want it to look brown. So I'm just kind of like feathering it instead of blending it. Just like that. So then I'm grabbing the brown. And I'm just going to come back here and try to blend that. I just want it to look like it's perfectly getting ombre. So I switch between the two colors and just try to blend that so it looks like it's fading in really well. So just to make this part a little bit more blended looking, I'm going to take a pencil brush. This one is from the Sephora collection, I believe. And then I'm just going to go around the glitter. And kind of try to like blend that in. So I'm just going to use whatever fluffy type brush you have. Just to try to blend that a little bit, and then into the brown, and then doing the same thing. So doing the same thing on the other side. Okay guys, so next I'm just going to take the little white color in here, and I'm just going to take that on this Luxie 245 small shader brush, and I'm just going to pop it in here and blend that. And then on this side, just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to finish the rest of my face makeup, and then I'll come back so we can do the bottom waterline. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I finished the rest of my makeup, so now we're just going to go ahead and finish the under eye. So I'm just going to start off by going in with these two and then adding a little bit of the brown shade as well to darken up the outer corners. So I'm just taking the transition shades, bringing it down to the bottom, and then blending them down. And then for the brown, I'm just going to go in with a small detailer brush. This brush is from e.l.f. And then just dipping into that brown. And really, I feel like keeping my under eye kind of simple. So I'm just going to darken up just a little in the outer corner. And bring that into where I need to. And I'm just going to use that other brush. To help that blend just a little bit more. Okay guys, so that is it. If you are interested in any of the products on my face, I'm going to go ahead and link them down below. I did go ahead and add a little bit of the metallic white shade, just like a tiny bit on the inner corner, and that is it. But everything else will be linked down below. I will link Tati's palette down below. It is a gorgeous palette. If that was loud, I'm going to say it in my other video. I apologize. I'm going to see how it goes for these two videos since I'm recording on the same day. But hopefully it's not too loud. My husband just worked hard to fix that up for me. So I just wanted to go ahead and leave it on and leave it in the video. But if you want to see any other tutorials with the Tati palette, let me know. It's such a gorgeous palette, and I think it's perfect because even if you don't have her palette, a lot of these colors are in other palettes, so you can easily recreate the looks with those palettes. But yeah guys, I think that's going to be it from me. Thank you for joining me today, and oh my god, I have 95 subscribers. You guys, welcome. You new people, I hope you enjoy my videos,